Very good Tuesday morning to everyone out there. Landon here with you to bring you your latest weather forecast, sponsored by Ohio Valley Insurance. Let's jump right into it, shall we? Got a quiet start, just like we had a quiet start to the new work week, folks. Got clear skies out there early on. We got some high-level clouds trying to stream in here from the west, but it's going to be holding off here over the next 12 to 18 hours or so. We're going to see an uptick in cloud cover coming along with a moisture-deprived cold front. Getting a view across the region, let's kick things off down in Gold City. Sexton Bin Builder Skycam showing nothing but clear skies out there. We got twilight coming up over the horizon, not too much going on. Same can be said overlooking the Beach Tree News Skycam up in Morgantown as well. We got clear skies over in that direction. It is a bone-chilling start for us though, folks. We got lows that have tanked all the way down to right around the 20-degree mark here locally, but look down just to our south, folks. There's some 10 to 15 degrees warmer. All of you in the Wobbles region right down there near the Tennessee line, Allen, Simpson, and Logan County, much warmer than what we are sitting up here in Warren County, up over into the flats of Woodbury, over in Butler County as well. We're going to be taking highs right up to around the low and mid 50s this afternoon. Shouldn't be too shabby at all, with sunshine dominating the sky. Take a look here at the latest. You can see we've got high pressure and complete control here across the region. We got a dry cold front that's approaching here out of the north and west. It's going to bring a little bit more than just an alteration in wind direction, along with a little bit more cloud cover as we work into the midweek time frame. So let's go ahead and break it down on what we're going to be looking at. Here is your model guidance forecast, and we're going to take you throughout today. High pressure shifting just to our east, bringing winds out of the south. Be a little bit warmer today than yesterday. And then as we work into this afternoon and evening, folks, here comes that moisture-starved cold front. We got a reinforcing lobe of high pressure that's going to be jolting in here on the back side of that cold front. It's going to turn winds out of the north for just a short period of time as we work into tomorrow, but it is worth noting it will be a few degrees cooler tomorrow with that more cloud cover that's in place. Highs today right around the mid-50s. Tomorrow, upper 40s to lower 50s, depending upon how much cloud cover gets going and the northwest flow aloft behind this cold front that'll be passing through here late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Then we're going to be looking at high pressure shifting back to our east, bringing winds back out of the south. We'll keep sunshine in the forecast throughout our Thursday and Friday. And then this upper level low is going to get going and slide down to the south and east near and right along the Gulf Coast as we get into the weekend. Here we are looking at the Friday time frame. Cloud cover will be on the increase again. Cloud debris blowing off of this complex and this upper low down here in this direction. And you will note, folks, here we are getting into our Saturday and progressing into our Sunday. Look at this little short wave diving down here along with the coastal low here, upper low diving down here. We've got this batch of widely scattered showers that comes into the mix right around the latter part of Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening, lasting through our Sunday. Here we are getting into Sunday morning, mid-morning, into the early afternoon, and then by Monday and Tuesday of next week, folks, we've got like this bombogenesis taking place right along the Atlantic coast. Could be looking at a nor'easter getting rocking and rolling here. Could bring significant impacts to the northeast U.S. And then in the meantime, folks, that's going to allow for sunshine to come right back into the mix during the early days of next week with high pressure taking back complete control. Now, folks, as previously mentioned, any of the rainfall that's going to come along with this is going to be weak. It should be light in nature. Take a look still, folks, at the next 7-day weather forecast. A whole lot of nothing going on. Maybe a few shouts here with the light rain that can move through here Saturday night into Sunday morning. But, folks, overall, there's just not going to be a whole lot going on. And whenever we talk about looking at the weeks ahead with Christmas coming up here over the next few weeks, take a look at the latest from the Climate Prediction Center. Looks like Santa might be putting on the swimming trunks, with well above average temperatures forecast here over the next 14 days, along with well below average precipitation coming along with that as well. So, folks, if you're hoping for a white Christmas, you might want to do some snow dances or something else, because right now it's looking like a whole lot of heat and a whole lot of dryness is going to be in store with us here over the course of the next 2 weeks. At least that's what the pattern is suggesting. Some of the longer range guidance we've been looking at is hinting at a much colder pattern switch over to January. That remains to be seen with some of the latest outlooks that we've seen coming out here. It'll be worth keeping close eyes on. All right, here's a full breakdown of your next 5-day weather forecast. Loads of sunshine today. Highs right around the mid-50s this afternoon. Overall, a beautiful, quiet, tranquil December day. Slightly cooler on Wednesday with a noticeable uptick in cloud cover across the entire Wobbles community. More sunshine Thursday into Friday. We'll warm back up to the mid-50s, and then clouds back on the uptick on Saturday before those scattered light rain chances arrive Saturday night on into our Sunday to finish out the weekend. That'll wrap up your Tuesday morning weather or not forecast, brought to you by Ohio Valley Insurance. You all take care of yourselves and each other.